community policing, again, it is a law enforcement strategy to aim at building strong relationship between the police officer or the authorities at sa community na kanilang sakop o yung sakop ng service nila. So, community policing is a strategy to prevent crime so that public safety can achieve. So, paano nga ba natin ma-achieve ang peace or ang safety ng public? It is through collaboration. Like for example, cooperation ng authorities and the public to solve problems in a certain community. So, other example, authorities engage with the community to identify the problems and work together to find solution. So, other example is prevention over punishment. So, yung focus nila is preventing crime through community engagement rather than mag-rely sila sa arrest. So, for our topic, we have the community policing and the components of community policing. So, community policing is a law enforcement strategy that allows the police and the public to collaborate through this strategy so that community problems are solved with the help of the people. So, next is the components of community policing. These components are interdependent and must work together to ensure the successful implementation of community policing strategy. So, community policing components is built on three primary components. First, the community partnership. These components establish collaborative relationships between the law enforcement agency, community, and the local organization. So, yung partnership na to, binubuo siya para sa shared responsibility between them. So, ano nga bang purpose na to? To identify, to address the community concern. So, another purpose is to start to rely on open communication. So, when we say open communication, this creates sense of accountability to prevent crime and to ensure the public safety.
Organizational transformation refers to the alignment of organizational management, structure, personnel, and information system to support community policing and proactive problem solving. Ang organizational transformation ay ang pag-aayos ng pamamahala, struktura, tauhan, at information system para suportahan ang community partnership at proactive problem solving. Isa itong mahalagang bahagi ng community policing. Ang goal nito ay gamitin ang new management practices para ma-increase ang efficiency at effectiveness, pati na rin ang pagbabago sa mga proseso at struktura ng organisasyon.
Good afternoon, Sir Erwin. My name is Ronnie A. Flor. This is my report for today. Agency management. Base sa description na nabasa ko sa community policing is something na na-encourage sa ating law enforcement agencies na gumagamit ng more collaborative way sa komunidad na pinaglilingkuran nila since ang focus nga nila ay mapabuti ang kaayusan nito. Nangangailangan din ito ng pagbabago sa pamumuno kung saan they should work together para matugunan ng lokal na issue. Dagdag po dito, agency management is something na dapat open pag-share ng information with the presence of public within the community. Kaya sa parting ito, accountability is important para masigurado na lahat ng aksyon ng mga pulis na ay align sa kaligtasan ng komunidad. Overall, and ang main focus lang naman ng agency management is to build a safer and stronger community for everyone with the help of the law enforcement agency. Yun lang po ang aking report. Thank you po.
Organizational management structure. Organizational management structure helps in figuring out via communicating to the local citizens. Assigning police officers in the same area is a necessary part of this plan to establish communication to the local community. Ang organizational management structure sa pag-a-assign ng mga police officers sa isang community ay mahalaga sa pag-resolve ng issue sa community. Dahil po dito, magkakaroon po ng access sa mga police sa local area. Magkakaroon ng komunikasyon ng pang long term gamit ang organizational management structure. With this po, magkakaroon po ng mas mahabang panahon ang mga police para ma-access ang problema at makakuha ng solusyon para dito. Example po nito is yung pagkakaroon ng pulis sa isang community service tulad ng mga station offices para sa isang event, programa o issue. And next po is, next components of organizational transformation is personnel.
What is personnel? From top to bottom, from the police chief to local volunteers. From lower to self, is pataas o pababa, from police chief to local volunteers. The values of community policing must be part of law enforcement agency culture. So, ang values ng community policing natin is kailangan pati siya ng law enforcement natin at kailangan parte siya ng ating culture or nakasanayan. This goes for hiring, sa pagtanggap, training, supervising, and evaluating. In-evaluate natin yung mga employees natin sa ating law enforcement agencies. Yun lang.
Salamat.
Information system and technology. In times of crisis, agencies need to spread information to the community fast and effectively, and vice versa. If someone goes missing or there's a wanted person in the area, having a clear two-way communication system will make problem solving much easier. Ang information system daw po ay maaaring magbigay ng mga platform para sa direktang komunikasyon ng mga kapulisan at ng mamamayan, katulad na lamang po ng mga mobile apps o online reporting systems. Dahil dito ay mas madaling masosolusyonan ang mga problema at mas madaling makipag-communicate ang mga kapulisan sa mamamayan sa tulong ng information system.
Now, for today, my topic is problem solving. In the term of community policy, problem solving is defined as the process of engaging in the proactive and systematic examination of the identify problem to develop and evaluate effective responses. So, sinasabi sa problem solving is isa siyang proseso upang solusyonan yung mga problema ng bawat community or isang komunidad. Kasi kung walang problem solving, hindi masosolusyonan yung isang problema na kinakaharap ng isang komunidad. So, isa siyang proseso, isa siyang mahalagang part na kailangan sa isang komunidad kasi kung walang problem solving, hindi siya masusolusyonan yung problema ng isang komunidad. So, may hirapan silang ayusin kasi wala yung isang proseso upang maayos or masolusyonan yung problema.
Problem solving. Community is different, so problem solving naturally looks different from place to place. But the following four principles, known as SARA, are cornerstone of the process. Ang bawat komunidad daw ay magkakaiba o may kanya-kanyang katangian. Kaya sa paglutas ng problema, natural na magkakaiba din base sa lugar. Ngunit ang sumusunod na apat na prinsipyo na kilala bilang SARA ang pundasyon ng proseso. Scanning, analysis, response, assessment. Scanning, identifying and prioritizing problems. Ito yung pagtukoy sa mga pangunahing problema. Halimbawa, sa isang community, natukoy ng mga residente na ang pangunahing problema ang pagkakaroon ng mga tambak na basura sa mga pampublikong lugar. Ito yung sa scanning, yung pagtukoy sa mga pangunahing problema. Analysis, researching what's known about the problem. Ito yung pagsusuri sa ugat ng problema. Halimbawa, bakit nga ba nagkaroon ng mga basura sa mga pampublikong lugar? Kakulangan ba sa mga basura? At ganun yung sa analysis, pagsusuri sa ugat ng problema. Let's response. Developing solutions to bring about lasting reduction in the number and extent of problems. Ito yung pagbuo o paggawa ng solusyon sa problema. Halimbawa, paglalagay ng mga basura sa pampublikong lugar para maiwasan yung pagtatapon ng mga basura kung saan-saan. Ito yung response. yung pagbuo o paggawa ng solusyon sa problema. Assessment, evaluating the success of the solution. Dito na tinitignan kung gaano kabisa ang ginawang solusyon at kung gaano ito nakatulong sa komunidad.
Conclusion. Community policing have three components, which is community partnership, organizational transformation, and problem solving. Among the three components of community policing, we have four components of organizational transformation, which is agency management, organizational management structure, personnel, and lastly, information system and technology. This strategy addresses crime's root causes while fostering long-term relationship with the public. Despite its challenges, such as ethical concerns, resource limitations, and systematic biases, community policing has been proven to be an innovative and effective approach. Success stories like the Newark Foot Patrol experiment demonstrate its potential to improve safety and community well-being. With proper implementation, this approach offers a more inclusive, equitable, and proactive vision for modern law enforcement, promoting not just like public safety, but also stronger and more cohesive communities. Every community is different, so problem solving naturally looks different from place to place, but the following four principles known as SARA. Four principles: scanning, analysis, response, and assessments. Scanning, identifying and prioritizing problems. Also, analysis, researching what knows what problems. Response, developing solutions to bring about lasting reduction in the number and extent of problems. And lastly, assessment, evaluating the source of the problem. Sa kabila ng mga alalahanin at limitasyong ito, malinaw na ang katangiang philosophical, tactical at organisasyonal ng community policing ay nakabuo ng malaking pagbabago sa kung paano natin iniisip ang pulisya at kung paano ginagawa ang trabaho ng pulisya. Sa pamamagitan ng malikaing enerhiyang ito, ay nagtutulak sa aming pasulong mayroong lahat ng dahilan upang maging ma-assign sa mabuting tungkol sa posibilidad na nagpapabuti ng pagpupulis sa susunod na dekada. Hinihikayat na ang community policing ang interactive na pakikipagdegosyo sa pagitan ng mga ahensyang nagpapatupad ng batas, kanilang mga opisyal at kung paano nila paglilingkuran.
Conclusion. Community policing represents a major development in the history of American law enforcement, but the extent to which this approach is a success and dominates contemporary policing still remains a source of debate. At its core, it challenges the traditional concept of the police as crime fighters by drawing attention to the complexities of the police role and function. Reducing crime remains an important element of police work, but community policing demands that police officers function as community organizers and problem solvers to help reduce citizens' fear of crime and improve the overall quality of neighborhood life. It is unsurprising that such a radical definition of policing has encountered some opposition from police officers who are committed to their traditional police role. Nonetheless, the fact that the majority of police departments across the country have implemented some kinds of community-oriented policing is a statement to the pervasive influence of this new approach. Yung ano daw po, community policing po ay kumakatawan, isang malaking pag-unlad daw po sa kasaysayan ng American law enforcement. Hinihiling ng community policing na ang mga opisyal ng pulis ay gumana bilang community organizer at problem solver upang makatulong na babawasan ng takot ng mamamayanan sa krimen. Yun lamang po. Salamat.